Hello viewers and friends, welcome to BST African Electronic Surgery. So what do we have tonight? It's Saturday 15 July 2023. We have this kind of DVD player. You can see we have a disc inside. That's a Sky model 958F. That's the model of this DVD player. This was booked in as no power. My assistant opened all the DVD, but I've not yet checked anything. So the DVD is plugged. If I try to power it on, you can see we have a slight blue light, but there's nothing here, no writing, no anything. So it is power, but how do you describe such kind of fault? We can't say it's no power. The power is there, but something is not right there, because we must have writing here. Yeah, I can see light only on this side. Maybe you can see. Maybe off. On, you see just a faint blue light here. So from that light we can conclude that the power is there, but something is not right there. So what do we have? We have the switching power supply, we have the logic board, that the CD-ROM for the disk, for opening and closing. So I want to check on the output for some voltages there. Volts. I want to check what kind of voltage do we have on the output. 3.26. Here is meant to have like 5 volts. We don't have enough voltage. And the other pin is for 12 volts. 11.69. The 12 volts is on, but we have 3.26 instead of 5 volts. So something is not okay. Again, yeah, 3.26. You can see on the screen. So something is not right there, because there must be 5 volts. There must be 5 volts. Let's come with the power supply, 5 volts. I want to see something. Let's lower the current. 5 volts. I want to see if you can see something here. If you can see something on this DVD. Check here. Loading. So if I come with the power supply on the output, I've seen some writing here. So I think something is not right with the 5 volts power rail. Let's take the power supply out. Let's take the power supply out. That should be very quick. That should be a quick repair. Let's take a closer look on the power supply to see why we have 3.26 instead of 5 volts. The power supply is out. You can see a nice switching power supply. So you have the input, you have the fuse. After the fuse, we have the coil, 4 diodes, the capacitor. Oh, the capacitor is not connected. Check here. Only minus is so that the plus is not so that. Okay. Why? Even this one looks weird. This one is not so that. Why? Let's desolder this big capacitor. So why this capacitor is not soldered? What happened to this power supply? Why? The big one, you know, the 400, that's 222 micro capacitor. So let's solder back this capacitor. The capacitor looks fine, but only the negative terminal was connected to the PC board. So I don't understand why. So let's solder this capacitor. Our capacitor is now in place. The next step, we have this capacitor on the output, 16 volts, 1000. We need to take down this capacitor and check what's going on here. Yeah, this capacitor is no longer good. You can see one pin is broken. $16 volts, 1000. One pin is broken here. So basically we need that capacitor. So this clearly explains why we have 3.26 volts on the output of the 5 volts power supply. Because the way how this switching power supply is made, the 5 volts is always on, and when you press the switch, the 12 volts is coming on. It's very simple. So from what we have seen, this gives a clear explanation why we don't have 5 volts on the output. Let's try to look for that capacitor. From what is this? What is this power supply? These are some kind of power supply. This is some kind of history for the old TVs. CRT board. Yeah, before things were proper made. That the flyback transformer. This one. Here you can't touch anything. We have around 600-700 volts. That's the big capacitor. Chopper here. It's just a switching power supply. Nothing complicated here. So what we need 16 volts 1000. And here we do have 16 1000. What a lucky 16 1000. 16 volts 1000. We just get the capacitor, same capacitor. Check here, 1016. So you know, I wish I could get like such kind of jobs, replacing capacitors. You know that feeling when you fix something which has got capacitor problem. For sure, you know that you won't get like coming back customer complaining or saying something that my device is no longer working properly. You know that feeling of capacitor replacement. You have 100% satisfaction that the job is done. So everything looks fine here. Everything looks fine. All what we need to do is to put back this board and test. That's all what we have to do here. That's all what we have to do. I think here we need some screws here. We don't want to cause bad things here. Need to insulate these boards. That should be nice. So let's plug in back. Plugged, and it's loading. Let's wait. You can see some. You can see here, and our disc is spinning. So this job is done. Yeah, it's working fine. So this job is done. So I'll stop this video now. Like our videos if you like them. But yeah, if you really love electronics, probably you are in the wrong channel. You are in the right channel, because we are now about to release many kind of repairs on this channel. So you have to like, comment, and also don't forget to share our videos to your beloved ones, friends and relatives. Turn the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from the channel. So yeah, see you on the next repair. Bye.